Today I'm going to introduce you to the Symplicity system. Symplicity is an online career management system used by many colleges and universities nationwide. Today we're going to discuss your specific account, which all of you will have on Symplicity. First, let's talk about the purpose of Symplicity. Symplicity acts as a secure storage of your job search documents. This would include such things as your resume, cover letter, writing sample, and transcript, all of which you will use throughout your 3 years of law school and beyond. Symplicity also allows you to access internship, part-time, and full-time job listings. Symplicity serves as essentially our clearinghouse of job search information. Symplicity also allows you to locate employer information such as addresses and contact information. During the 3 years that you are at the College of Law, you may have some opportunities for on-campus interviews. Symplicity is the resource we use for you to access on-campus interviews and to sign up for interviews. Symplicity is also a location where you can sign up for individual advising appointments with career services staff. Sign up for career services programs and workshops that are held throughout the year. See updated announcements that career services has. And it allows our office to stay connected to you. One important part of your job search that we believe is critical is that each person has an individual search. We're here to help you with that individual search, and so is Symplicity. You will receive an email from the Career Services Office with a username and password. When you receive this, you will also receive a link whereby you can access the Symplicity site. Enter your username and your password and sign into the system. After you've signed in, you certainly can change your password to one that you prefer. When you log into your account, the first thing you'll see is the home page. The home page contains information such as job listings, announcements, and as you can see, a section over here with various tabs to access other parts of Symplicity. The next thing we want to look at is the account section of Symplicity, which you can see right here. The first place that you'll go to on the account section is the personal section of your account. This has been pre-populated with information we already have on file for you. For example, your address, your name, and other demographic information. When you access this initially, please review it and determine whether the information is correct. Make the changes as necessary in this section. Please keep in mind that the email that we will use for you throughout your 3 years at the law school is your mix email, which is your WVU email. So please keep that the same in your account. Okay, the next page that we'll go to is your academic page. On this section, you'll notice some basic information such as your year in school. In this case, this person is a 1L. Also practice areas. You'll notice practice areas has an asterisk by it, so we do request that you choose a few areas of practice that interest you. By no means does this require you to follow in those particular practice areas through your 3 years. What it does allow us is some idea of some of your interests and how we might be able to assist you, at least initially, in your pursuits. You'll see other information on here such as degree level that you are going towards here at the law school. Obviously that's a JD, and previous degrees earned. Scroll down the page for each of these sections in order to complete all of the information. The final page is the privacy page. This allows you to determine how much exposure you have from the Career Services Center or from employers. We recommend, for example, that you say yes to receiving emails from the Career Center. Oftentimes, we send emails out with new job listings, upcoming meetings, upcoming workshops, and so in order to keep abreast of all that information, it's a good idea to say yes to receiving emails from our office. Additionally, you might want to say that you would like to receive email alerts for new and trending jobs. A newer section is the Promoting Your Resume to Employers. This allows us to have your permission to add your resume to resume books and for employers to review it online. Currently, we don't use enabling text message alerts, although we may use that in the future, so you could certainly say yes there. Another thing that we produce every other week is a job blast, which goes out to students depending on their year in school. So if you'd like to receive that with updated job listings, please indicate yes on that. Those three areas are the ones of most importance right now in order to get you going into the Symplicity system. Another thing that might be helpful to you is that there is an app that you can use for Symplicity, so it is a portable option for you. Simply go to the App Store or to Google Play and access West Virginia University College of Law in the Symplicity section, and you can download the app. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with Symplicity and look for programs on using Symplicity in your job search and for on-campus interviews this year.